Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those who know me and for those of you, thank you for joining the wig review. Today's wig I'll be reviewing today is by Outre. So go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 2 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
Music sounds better dancing even when I'm alone. I lost the beat, had to find it all on my own. If you're not gonna let me live, gotta let it go. Tired of life in the lights, wanna lose control, lose control. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I've been getting better, singing on cloudy days. Guess to find the rainbow, gotta go through the rain. If it's not gonna bring me up, gotta go up, up and away. Tired of life in gray, wanna fill up the space, fill up the space. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I can feel it taking over. You're moving closer back to me. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. No more tears wash me away. I'm remembering who I was, 'cause I'm back in techno. I'm back in technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I'm back in technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I can feel it taking over.
So now you watch me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. The wig I'll be reviewing today is the Outre Everwear in the style Every 12. I have Every 12 in the color DRFF Honey Brown. Every 12 has 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. The unit is premium synthetic fiber. It has HD transparent lace. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. The fibers are synthetic. The pattern is wavy. The hair texture is silky. The length is medium. It does have HD transparent lace, and the lace color is nude. It does have baby hairs, and yeah, you cannot dye it. So yeah, this is the unit. I do agree this is a great everyday unit. Easy to apply, easy to apply, very beginner friendly, very big head friendly. It's just overall a very great unit. I love the length, I love the color, I love everything about this unit. This unit will be getting a 10 and it will be in rotation. So mind your business if you see it more than 12 times, because honey, this unit is gorgeous. Gorgeous. See it? There's nothing to it. You put it on, put some baby hairs on if you don't want to lay it out, and you are ready to go out the door. So what do you think about Every 12? Let me know down in the comments if you will be picking it up. So yeah, let's go ahead and have a conversation down in the comment section. So if you got it in the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and I'll see you the next week. Bye guys.